Fuck them other niggas, they be talking about, hey. Yeah, hey. We're trying to start shit down. Hey. Fuck them other niggas, they be talking about, hey.
It's By SCO for the bitch, I came here from my bag. I don't walk in perfect time. I feel bad. I had to remind me. Yeah, you tripping in your bed. Get your feet on my niggas. Locked up and out for a month. It's a me.
How do you do, ladies and gentlemen? The Atlanta Police Department would like to thank you for coming out tonight. Goodbye. Have a good night. Please head home. I have tow trucks on the way to impound cars parked on the sidewalks and illegally parked. And if anybody's still around and wants to go to jail tonight, please go and stick around. I have a paddy wagon on the way. Thank you very much.
So please, bear with us. Euro love y'all, he respect y'all, y'all here for a reason. We respect y'all. Get a drink, drinks are free. Get some food, food is free. Holla at a chick, they free for right now. Hey, and have a good time, we about to pipe up. Hey, get some smoke. Hey, hold on, one more time, Slim. Hey, raise your hand if you got the smoke.
Who got the smoke? Who got the smoke?
Raise your hand if you got the smoke, raise your high. That might be free, it might not. It depends on if they feel charitable. Hey, matter of fact, stop serving the food. Hey, no more food. Camera phone out. No more drinks. Camera phone out. My boy Euro Gotit is about to come. Y'all here for Euro Gotit. Pull your camera phone out. You ain't too street. Pull your camera phone out, my nigga. You don't want this same support if it was you. Pull out your camera phone right now. It's a Kodak moment, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Now it look like a movie, man. Now it look like a movie. Let go. DJ Baby Slim. Euro Gotit, where you at, my boy? Let go. Come on, start the music. Let go. Start the music. Now what? Hey, I done seen franchise, seen belly chain, but I never ever seen a money chain. Hey, I got a pin in my drink. Yeah, jump in the rain. I'm everything that you want. Yeah. Body to buy, head in the sky, ready to die for sure. Love y'all, man. This is what I thought I was talking about, y'all.
I just want to tell you thank you, bro.
Like for real. This right here called Let It Die. This need to be the first one you play if you don't play I Want It. This shit right here too real. What I tell you, my B?
So my dog got the hood and put him on the lake. These niggas hate cause I can't relate. Cause I got the type of chicken with the face. They want me dead, I just wanna be great. I just want better for them in the hood. I ain't tryna be off, you niggas know I could. Shit on nobody even though I should. Work full of hate, I'm just tryna better my family when I turn their life. And do that shit right. Look, you made it, my nigga, don't gotta go back. It gon' be a journey, I know for a fact. When you been where I been, you don't wanna go back. Remember my stomach was tight, my back.
Do the man. I heard he a six problem.
Straight from your head, it's all
He back on bread. Awesome. Yeah.
Pull up on them in the farm.
They talking about it, then ignore. Yo, what? I might school these bitches, then award them. I got some class I might teach. Look, I woke up niggas who was sleeping. These niggas hate me cause I'm eating. I hate these bitches who be leeching. She didn't want to with no granny. Hey, put that bitch up on the Zens. Yeah, we on 3 grand on the granny. What we do? I get that back on top of that. I can't put a cat in, I'm walking that. Catch me, Slim, get me right. Let's go. Hey, you with your posse right now. I don't care if you blood, crip, gang, whatever you want, whatever your hood at. This your shit, bro. We gonna die like this shit. Yeah, let's go. What we tell them? Hey, look, I ride with the gang, I'ma die by the shit. Put them on payroll, we ride with the stick. We in a minute, we still with the shit. I got me a dealer with back to the brick. Knock off a nigga, hop back in the whip. Bitch, you can't play with my chips. Shit, that's the chocolate you flip. I ride with the gang, I'ma die by the shit. Pop off. Nigga getting knocked off, We gon' let shots off, yeah. Nigga get chopped off, I know the street love me, I move like a boss. My posse went shopping, they came out the door. He put 100 rounds in the stick, don't know if it's shooting or stop. Yeah, we have a shootout with ops, we have a shootout with cops. I bulletproof on the windows, yeah. We had to shoot out the top, yeah. We have a shootout with ops, yeah. We have a shootout with cops, yeah. He put 100 rounds in the stick, shoot the star. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Damn, yeah, yeah. Don't go telling all your homegirls all our problems in my flaws. Don't go tell her how you scratch me up when I'm all on your wall. Don't tell her how I cash out on you when we in the mall. If you ever need a Superman, then you know who to call. Don't go trying to read between the lines. For real. I won't try to keep what she ain't mine. You gotta know the speed, let me see the signs. I just wanna make you smile all the time. Yeah, yeah, hey. Just to hold you. By my own son. Run up on the hill. By my own son. Hey. By my own son. Yeah. Do what I'm talking about. We don't want the chop out for real. Hey, hey. By my own son. By my own son. Then she won't run.
Man, Euro shut that bitch down, man. Y'all ought to know it gone, man. Shout out my boy Euro Gotit, man. Trouble Clef Studio, man. She boy Miles at GA. You know how we rockin', man.
We need all footage. He handicapped, 12.
Hey, look, I'm gonna say what's up, right? We got the white people that want. Big black people that hate on Michael B. Jordan. Y'all got one side. That's why we don't spread 12. That fucked up. That fucked up, bro. We know the law.
Hey, fool. God, nigga. No guy.
Man, they shut it down, man. You know what I'm saying? Euro had the city loaded. You know what I'm saying? Police came out, helicopter came out, Jeff and Euro got it, man. Dude came out. You know, it's a movie. I think they could never believe it.
Hey man, you gotta tell them all that, and then guess what? Hey man, what goes on behind this door, you won't know. You ready?
Man, come on, man. You know, the choppers came out for real, for real. 12, what they say? Free Rollo, hot shit, pot shit, 12, never ain't gonna stop.
Yeah, man. Always on time, man. Big A time, man. That boy got that bird in there. It's a love money, man. It's a love money, man. Burberry don't cost me.
Seen the fly, it's the after party, real.
Shout out my boy Quinn FOMO. Really overdo it. Really.
Hey, man.
Really send the trip.
Fuck with them, man. I'm going to jail.
Hey, don't play with.
No cap.
Yeah, man, this Drew checking in, man. Hey, man, we in here with Euro Gotit, man. Kicking it, album release, man. Listen, if you don't, I'm gonna take your ass out. Y'all know what the fuck I do. And I'm in here with Big. You good, B?
No, we good, baby. I don't like no cameras, though.
He don't like cameras, B.
I don't like cameras.
He don't like cameras.
You can't eat what I eat. For my feet. You better be here when I leave. I didn't move the roof about the city.